installed all that stupid security junk, bro.
Yeah? Well, I think you just don't know how to fix it, bro.
Is that a fact? That is a fact, Jack.
I'm not your Jack, bro.
And I'm not your bro, Jack.
That's it! I can't hold it another second! I'm just gonna go! I'm going!
Not here! Not here!
Here and now, bro!
Don't do it!
It's happening! Oh yeah, there it goes!
Come on, hold it in!
Too late, bro! And... done!
Oh, wow. That just happened.